Visual Paradigm Online's AI tool can help you to generate and refine use case diagrams. In Workspace, press the Create with AI button. Find the Use Case Diagram Refinement tool and press Start Now to open it. Enter the domain description. Let's try booking system for a garage. Press the Generate Diagram button to proceed. A basic use case diagram will be generated. You can export the generated diagram in SVG format and further edit the diagram by opening it in VP Online. Save the diagram in your workspace for future use. Back to the AI tool, press the Refine Diagram with AI button to refine the diagram. Here is the refined version of the diagram with include and extended use cases being generated. Again, you can export the diagram in SVG format and further edit it by opening it in Visual Paradigm Online. The original diagram and the refined diagram can be saved separately